Welcome students, in the series of verbs. In today's lesson, you can learn about English modal verbs. So, what are modal verbs? What do they do? Why do you need them? You will see answers to all these questions in this class. In this chapter, you will be introduced to some basic points you should know to use modal verbs correctly. There are 9 modal verbs in English. Can you name the 9 modal verbs in English? Maybe you know them already, but if not, then watch this video till the end. Modal verbs are helping verbs that are used along with main verbs to represent the ability, possibility and probability of a subject to do an action and emphasize the necessity of an action. The 9 modal verbs are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, and must. These verbs are also auxiliary verbs because they work together with the main verb. Modal plus main verb, and the main verb that follows is always in the bare infinitive form, without to. Example: I could go. You should take. They would like. Paul may borrow. Now, these modal verbs are used in English to express something. They have a purpose. Let's have a chart to understand modal verbs in a better way. Type: ability, permission, advice, obligation and possibility. Ability: can, could. Ray can speak 2 languages. She could speak fluent German when she was 6. Permission: can, could, may. Can I sit in that chair, please? Could I open the window? May I borrow your book? Advice: should. You should visit your dentist at least twice a year. You should try to lose weight. Obligation: must have to. I must memorize all of these rules about modal verbs. You have to rake off your shoes before you get into the mosque. Possibility: might, may, could, can. It looks nice, but it might be very expensive. Richard may be coming to see us tomorrow. Modal verbs asking permission. Informal: can. Can I borrow a bottle for a minute? Can I speak to Diana Stanley? Polite: could. Could I please have a glass of water? Could I open the gate? Formal: may. May I ask a question, please? May we go to a party? Polite: would dash. Would you mind if I ask you something? Now, let's test your knowledge of modal verbs. Here are the answers. This is it about this session. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new about verbs. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and hit the bell button to subscribe to our channel.